How simple is it for Lao Ba to own a three-wheeled motorcycle? With high-quality raw materials and the skilled craftsmen, it takes less than a month to handmake a modified three-wheeled motorcycle of comparable quality to an assembly line product. Considering the wide variety of steel types used in the production process, the cutting workshop is located outdoors for ease of operation without interfering with other tools, especially the frame assembly workshop on the other side. Phased to facilitate the subsequent installation of other accessories, the main component used to provide the vehicle's load-bearing capacity is based on the motorcycle frame. It is then slightly designed and modified according to customer requirements, processed into a specific shape, and then welded and assembled. In this small workshop with no more than 10 people, each craftsman must be extremely professional to ensure the safety and quality of the products leaving the factory. The welded frame does not require any pretreatment and goes directly to the paint shop. Lao Ba made it simple. The protective process begins with spraying a layer of anti-rust paint on the surface and then letting it air dry. Cargo box production, the most complex process, not only requires consideration of future repackaging strength, but also requires robustness and volume reduction to save fuel. This places even higher demands on structural rationality. Although the workshop doesn't have a professional design team, they are very adept at learning from advanced international experience and technology, and after minor adjustments, they have achieved a design that suits local conditions. This distinctive product, with its densely packed reinforcements, clearly demonstrates the craftsman's strict quality standards. The lower section houses the more frequently used blue plate. Double-layer folding steel is used to enhance strength. The upper fence is simply secured with small square steel bars to prevent the vehicle from being accidentally thrown off during speeding. Two old 8 wheels quickly create a standard cargo hold covering 3 square meters. Next, the painting process begins. The old 8 wheels working here are remarkably authentic. No protective coating is needed, and work begins immediately. First, a coat of specialized primer is sprayed on the surface to enhance color adhesion. The bright red color as the primary body color is not only visually striking but also very festive. I think this is why Lao Ba likes it. In the chassis workshop next door, the frames, having dried completely, have already been moved in. Over here, the craftsmen are installing parts purchased from other workshops. A qualified tricycle will have hundreds of parts on it. Because it's directly made from motorcycles, purchasing semi-finished parts from local car manufacturers can improve work efficiency to a certain extent, but accurate assembly is impossible without extensive experience. Connecting the wiring is particularly crucial. The three-wheeled vehicle engine still uses a single-cylinder carbureted paint machine. Although fuel consumption is higher, fortunately, they don't pay much attention to oil quality. The installation of key engine parts is personally handled by key technical personnel from workshops across the city. From brake oil to paint, the obviously irregular shape of the tube suggests they may have created their own product. While it's not particularly aesthetically pleasing, it doesn't compromise safety, and the hydraulically controlled brake pads improve braking performance. Having a custom-made drive shaft from a local repair shop effectively eliminated the previous problem of the chain falling apart while driving. With the cargo box and frame seamlessly integrated, the tricycle now boasts a sleek exterior. 2 simple stools can also be installed inside for easy use. Considering the complex future use of the vehicle, the workshop thoughtfully designed a waterproof roof. This way, owners don't have to worry about getting their stylish hair wet while working outside on rainy days. Finally, the taillights are installed according to the design. Before leaving the factory, professional test drivers inspect the vehicles. Products confirmed to be free of defects are randomly delivered to customers.